Okay, always remember your facial expressions and body language is actually part of the marks as well. Will be assessed as well. So do use them, yeah? All right. So you have your 20 minutes. It start now.
So, Assalamualaikum and good morning to everyone. So, how's everyone doing? Is everyone okay?
Uh, yeah,
Yes, we
I'm
are
doing okay.
okay.
Have you all eaten?
Yes.
Yeah, just at lunch. Just-
How about you?
No, I haven't eaten. Alright. So, good morning, ladies and gents. Wait, we only have ladies here. Alright. So, today we will have to be talking about organizing a Marine Day program to raise awareness about the ocean conservation and marine pollution. So we have been selected as a team. So we have to do a beach clean activity. So I want to know, do you guys have like a suggestion for us to, do this Marine Day program?
I have a suggestion, a suitable beach for the Marine Day program. So to raise awareness about ocean conservation and marine pollution, um, we as swimmer assessors have selected to lead a beach cleaning activity. So uh, for me, a suitable beach for us to lead the beach cleaning activity is at the Pedak, Kuantan. So, why I choose this place is because this beach is one of the most popular place for people to go holiday with family and friends. So, because of that, because of people always go there um wherever weekends, weekdays. So there's a lot of waste or garbage in the sea. Uh, so I think Teluk is one of the suitable place or beach for us to do the program. Is there any other suggestions?
Um,
Okay. Do you guys have any ideas for the suggestion? Basically?
I think we can also do at the. This is another suggestion, which is Pantai Pengkalan Bala at Melaka. So this
Okay.
beach is a turtle landing site, which adds to a strong conservative narrative. So when you clean up the beach, it could emphasize the nature wildlife protection, especially about the turtle conservation. So I think that's also one of a suggestion. What about the rest? Do you have any other suggestion of other beaches?
For me, we can encourage the community to join the by creating fun and interactive activity during Marina Day, such as a mini beach cleaning challenge or a photo contest about marina protection. And this is make a pupil move to interesting about interesting and excited to participate.
Mm,
Everyone?
I
Okay.
agree with
Do you guys
Aliyah, but
So I think I can agree with Diana and also Nishi.
and also ADLCC. Uh, what do you guys think about the task during the program? I think we should discuss about the task during the program, and I have some of ideas, and can I say it right now about
Yes.
Yes.
the task?
Yes.
So for the key task during the Marine program, I think first and foremost, after we arrive at the beaches, we should start with the short briefing session. So this is will help us explain the purpose of the activity, and also we should explain about the safety rules and how do we want to clean up the beaches during the process work. And next, for the main task will be collecting rubbish along the beach, since this is about the clean up the beach. So this we should also tell them some to include picking up the plastic bottles, food wraps, cans, and other waste that harms the environment. What Diana said earlier about the turtle. Uh, so we should also provide some cleaning equipment such as gloves, garbage bags, and tongs, so the volunteers can work more productivity, and also there's like easier to work. Uh, any other idea from you guys?
I think I have a few other ideas to support Iza's, her suggestion of tasks. So I think before you do the beach cleanup activity, which Iza suggested just now, I think we need to do the waste segregation demonstration, which means that we show the public how to organize our trash appropriately. For example, we can set up labeled bins, just like a specific one for plastic, for metal, for hazardous materials, glass, paper, or even other organic trash. So it teaches our participant how to identify recyclable and also non-recyclable waste, and it also demonstrate how improper segregation affects recycling efficiency. So another thing I would like to suggest is that we can also do like a group activity, for example a microplastic education, which we can for example we can sieve the sand at the beach to find microplastics, because I believe that beaches that have a lot of tourists, they will always throw like plastic bottles, plastics into the sand of the beaches. So when you sieve, all that's left is like microplastics. So I think we can, from the microplastic, we can display samples of it to show the public like how polluted our beaches are. And also we can also do a short talk or demonstration at the beach as a part of our program. And then the topics could include the effects of ocean acidification and warming on marine biodiversity, why turtles, ocean seabirds, and coral reefs needs clean ocean, and also how individuals can help with daily, like refill bottles, avoid microbeads, and also reduce fashion waste. So yeah, that's one of my suggestions on the key tasks to be carried out during the program. What about the rest, Kairana?
May I add? So basically, during the program execution, we have to like not to forget about the briefing about safety and environmental rules, which is during every participants carrying out activities smoothly. We have to also remember about the cleanup. I mean, for to ensure waste collection is handled properly, because sometimes most unpredictable things could happen, such as some of the waste probably could be dangerous for some reason, may be danger for the participants, so we have to brief about that also.
May I add one more activities? So I think one of the activities that we can organize, which is educational booth. This booth will provide information about marine life, pollution, and environmental protections. For example, the booth can display posters and pictures showing how plastic waste can harm the animals like turtles and fish. And we can also make another booth that can show the importance of coral reefs and how they support ocean ecosystem. And we can also make an educational booth about how to separate the waste, for example, bottles, cans, and also plastic. Uh, that is one of my suggestions activity besides cleaning up the beach. And
May
the
I
rest,
add,
the others.
one more key task. So I so for the deep cleaning, I think we can also add a deep diving clean. So that means that we have to clean the ocean. So we can call up any professionals divers to help us with the activities, and also maybe they can also open the deep diving claim to any people who would like to join. So that is one of my one.
That's very interesting. Okay, so about is that it for the key tasks? Is there anyone to
I think we can move on to the building partnerships with relevant
okay?
agencies. Yeah.
Okay, so may I start?
Yes.
So I
Yes.
think building partnerships with relevant agencies is very important because it helps with strengthen resources, knowledge, and impact of this program. So I think we have to identify most relevant agencies such as government bodies, NGOs, educational institutions, cultural organization that we have in our country. So and then we also have to understand their goals, which is we also have to study their mission, ongoing projects, and values to ensure alignment. And then the third one is we have to initiate contact, which is like send formal letters or emails, attend networking events, and request meetings or discussion to to do this program together to get the real impact for the participants. How about Alafika? Do you have
Uh,
any
for
suggestions?
for my point, I think we can also build a partnership with local media like radio station or community newspaper and also social media. They can help us to promote the Marina Day program to spread awareness to more people. Um, with media support and more participants will know about the event and the program will get better response for around surrounding. Uh,
Yes, I agree with Alia Karana and also Alia Fika.
So
Yeah.
basically, we have to maintain communication such as regular updates, meetings, and check-ins to ensure the partnership stays strong. Because we don't want any problem during the program, and we after everything we should have like review the outcomes to strengthen future collaboration because we might do another collab in the future. So it's going to be easy for the connection and to create more events for the participants and for the local people.
All right. So I agree with what Karen and Alia Afika has said. So I just want to add on. For example, Karina said government bodies, we could partner up with them. So I want to give, like, for example, the Jabatan Alam Sekitar, the Department of Environment, DOE. So why should we partner with them is because they oversee environmental protection, waste management laws, and also pollution control. So they can help us with official endorsement for our program. They can provide posters, environmental education kits. They can also assist us with proper waste disposal, after the cleanup. And also, beside that, we can also partner up with Majlis Perbandaran, the local councils, for example, MBJB, MBSA, and PSJ. So they can help us with grant permission to use the beach. And also, they can provide rubbish bins, gloves, tongs, and trash bags. And also, they can mobilizing community volunteers, and also they can support from their environmental or public health department. And also, not also just government bodies, we can also ask for help from universities or colleges, for example, like UPM, UMT, UITM, or also UMS. So what they can contribute is they can help us to give student volunteers. Also, beside that, they can help us with the media and communication students to help with posters, videos. They can help us with scientific waste audit reporting. So yeah, I think that's uh, not only government bodies, but we can also ask for help from universities to help us, make the program more successful. What about the rest, Iza?
Yeah, we can also work with local communities because one of the reasons is because they know about the area well, and they can also help us coordinate volunteers from the neighborhood. So we can have many volunteers from the neighborhoods and also from outside people, not only from the agency and university also. This is one of my idea.
So I agree with
And how
Lisa.
about
I agree with I think we also can build partnership with one of the most famous agencies, which is PADI, because people know and trust because they are a stable agency. So PADI also have a lot of connections with oceans, sea, because because they know how we can also ask them and ask them to help us on how to lead any activities to raise awareness about this marine program.
All right, so I think we have to wrap up and give a conclusion to our meeting. So, does everyone agree that we are doing this program at Teluk Cempedak?
yeah, we
Yes.
already
Yes, I agree.
Yes, I agree.
yes, I agree with that.
Okay. So our program, the Marine Day program, will be held in at Teluk Cempedak, Kuantan. So, the key task that we'll be doing during the program is we will do a short briefing for the safety, and then we will
Something
do a
yes,
cleanup. Sorry.
yeah,
All right. So we will do a brief meeting for the safety before we do any cleanup at the beach. And then once we get there, we're gonna do like a cleanup session with all the participants. And then we can do like a educational booth where we show pictures of endangered animals. And then we can also call, just like Ishira had said, call professional divers to do a deep clean on the ocean bed. And then for the building partnerships, maybe we can partner up with government bodies such as the uh, government council and the Jabatan Alam Sekitar, DOE. And yeah, I think that's a wrap from us. Is
yeah,
everybody okay with all the suggestions?
yes.
Yes, I definitely
Okay.
agree.
I think it's a
Does
really good
anybody
idea.
have? All right. So I think we can wrap up this meeting. So I want to thank everybody for joining. Inshira, Alia Fika, Alia Kairana, and also Iza for joining the meeting for today. So, yeah, anything we can, you know, I think that's it.
Check out later.
Thank you,
Thank you.
everyone.
Thank you,
Thank
everybody.
you, everyone.
Okay, that's the end of your discussion. Alright, you can start recording now. Okay, Inshira?